Alright guys, welcome back to another video. So basically today we're going to be talking about the new Falling in Reverse track, Popular Monster. I'm going to include a timestamp on the screen somewhere now that basically is going to direct you to the actual guitar tutorial that's included in this video. I'm just going to talk about like a little bit of a backstory of sort of how I heard it and everything like that. So it kind of starts kind of hip hop. It almost kind of sounds like a rap track. And then as you skip on, that's very Linkin Park new metal. So I thought, okay, maybe there'll be a bit of guitar in this. And then there it is. Yeah, so then it becomes very guitar heavy. So really cool track. It's obvious that there's going to be tons of different genres in this track, which is kind of what Falling in Reverse are quite famous for. But then I got to this bit. So that's fucking sick. That's so heavy, so awesome. And I thought when I heard that, I thought I had to cover this on my channel. So basically, I'm going to show you guys how to play the chorus leading into the breakdown until the end of the breakdown. So I heard this breakdown, and then I immediately picked up the guitar, started trying to learn it, and it quickly became apparent that the tuning is ridiculously low. I'm not sure if it's done on a 7-string or just a crazy low tuning. So the kind of root note is actually a D sharp. But it's like an octave below a half step down, low string. So I thought just to make it kind of easier and less of a hassle for most people, I'm basically going to show you how to play it in half step down tuning. So it's going to sound basically kind of an octave higher. But what it means is that you don't need to drop tune your guitar to something crazy. And it means you can just kind of pick up the guitar, tune it only a little bit, and basically just play it right away. So anyway, here's the tutorial. If you find it really useful, make sure you like, comment, subscribe. But anyway, yeah, thanks for watching. I hope you find it really useful. Cheers.